In today's digital age, social media platforms have become essential tools for businesses to connect with their target audience. Among these platforms, Twitter has emerged as a powerful tool that can significantly impact your business's success. With over 330 million active users worldwide, it offers immense potential to increase engagement, drive sales, and leave competitors in the dust. In this ultimate guide, we will explore how you can master Twitter for business and unlock its true potential. Define your objectives. What do you want to achieve? Before diving into the world of Twitter marketing, it is crucial to define your objectives clearly. Are you looking to increase brand awareness? Drive website traffic? Generate leads or boost sales? Having a clear objective will help you tailor your strategy accordingly. Create an engaging profile. Make a lasting first impression. Your Twitter profile serves as your online identity. Therefore, it is vital to make a lasting first impression on potential customers. Use an eye-catching profile picture that represents your brand and write a compelling bio that conveys what sets you apart from competitors. Build your following. Quality over quantity. While having a large number of followers may seem impressive at first glance, focusing on quality over quantity is key when building your following on Twitter for business purposes. Engage with influencers in your industry by retweeting their content or mentioning them in relevant conversations. This can help attract their followers' attention and grow your own audience organically. Craft compelling tweets. Be concise yet captivating. Twitter's character limit forces us to be concise but captivating at the same time. No easy feat. Craft tweets that grab attention by using compelling headlines or intriguing questions while ensuring they align with your overall brand voice and values. Utilize hashtags effectively. Join the conversation. Hashtags play a crucial role in expanding your reach on Twitter. Research popular hashtags within your industry and incorporate them strategically into your tweets to join relevant conversations. This will help you connect with like-minded individuals, potential customers, and industry influencers. Engage with your audience. Spark conversations. Twitter is all about engagement, so actively seek opportunities to interact with your audience. Respond promptly to comments, mentions, or direct messages. This shows that you value their input and builds trust in your brand. Share valuable content. Educate and entertain. To keep your audience engaged, it is essential to share valuable content that educates or entertains them. Mix up different types of content such as blog posts, videos, infographics, or even GIFs to cater to various preferences. Use visuals wisely. Grab attention with images and videos. In a sea of tweets competing for attention on users' feeds, visuals can make a significant difference in capturing attention quickly. Incorporate eye-catching images or videos into your tweets whenever possible. They are more likely to stand out amidst the text-heavy content. Leverage Twitter ads. Boost your reach. While organic reach is great for building an initial following on Twitter for business purposes, leveraging Twitter ads can significantly boost your reach by targeting specific demographics or interests relevant to your business. Analyze and optimize your strategy. Measure successes and learn from mistakes. Regularly analyze the performance of your tweets using Twitter analytics or third-party tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. Identify what works well, high engagement rates or click-through rates, and optimize future strategies accordingly. In conclusion, mastering Twitter for business requires careful planning and execution but can yield remarkable results for increasing engagement levels, driving sales growth while leaving competitors trailing behind. By defining clear objectives tailored specifically towards achieving desired outcomes from increased brand awareness to lead generation or sales conversions, businesses can create engaging profiles that make lasting first impressions on potential customers. Building a quality following and crafting compelling tweets utilizing hashtags effectively will help expand reach, while engaging with the audience and sharing valuable content educates and entertains. Visuals play a significant role in grabbing attention amidst the sea of text-heavy content, and leveraging Twitter ads can boost reach even further. By analyzing performance regularly and optimizing strategies accordingly, businesses can continuously improve their Twitter marketing efforts. So why wait? It's time to unlock the true potential of Twitter for your business, increase engagement, drive sales, and leave competitors in the dust.